Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got another thing. Most likely from Bear the Beard. Beard the Bear.
What did I get today?
God dang it.
What I get from
Oh, Sonia just assumes it's for her.
That's sad. I feel like Bear doesn't care about me and Jaden.
Oh, you know he does. It's just super easy to get Sonia stuff.
Oh, true.
Because she likes everything.
And most of her stuff is fairly cheap.
True, but the things I like are anime-ish, kind of more expensive. Sorry.
Alright.
Doing this.
What the heck?
Oh, it's for Rena! You got me my little dragon neck pillow!
Weird toys and it's a coloring book.
Where's the stuff that says Sonia? And this one doesn't say who it's from. I'm just. Hi, Rena. Enjoy your gift, is what it says. Alright, so let's see. I know, this thing's gorgeous.
It's a coloring book. I bought a little bit for me.
Oh, look at that. Oh, Sonia and I are gonna have fun. Ooh.
I feel.
Lonely.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't be like that.
What is that?
It's a dragon neck pillow. Oh, look at it. Look at it.
Clothes.
It's so adorable.
It reminds me of like some sort of water lizard.
Yeah, I know. And it's so super soft. Here, put it around your neck. Put it around your neck.
Right.
Right.
We're going to have fun coloring, Mama.
So, here, hold it up. He's like, not my face.
Hi, peeps.
Hi, peeps. Alright, guys. Smush together.
Right, well, come on. Why do I not get anything to hold?
Because you normally get stuff. Go.
Oh, wait. Hold on. I'll grab you some. I'll give you something to hold. I'll hold you.
Simba. Thank you for our gifts.
Thank you.
I love how Sonia's the only one that says thank you. Jaden's just like, ah. And Evan's like,
Dur, dur, dur.
dur, dur, dur.
My buttocks is touching
The corner.
Oh, so you're so difficult.
You're the one who's trying to lift her up when you don't need to. Thank you, guys. We appreciate it. I love it. I'm going to be attacking that coloring book in a second.
Not my watch.
Love you, Dragon Riders. Thank you to whoever gave that to us. Most likely, Beard. But if it was somebody else, please comment and let me know. Bye, guys.
Thank you, loves.